Hey Diecast lovers, it's Marcus and time for pack hunting. So today, don't be surprised, I visit few of my local stores. So let's have a look what we can find there. Let's do it. Alright guys, I'm in Smith today to check what's going on and looks what I find today. We got the premium set Carry On, Bugatti Chiron, Kensington Agera and McLaren Speed Tile. Wow, they look so cool. And just $90.99 for this set. Definitely need to take one. Wow. And it's a lot of them, so very happy hunting. First shot today. As you see, there is a lot of 5-packs. Anyway, let's have a look, then we can find anything in my line, but maybe not surprised if I find anything interesting. Just let you know. Some premium cars, they nothing changed. There is hyper route, and that's it. Alright, but this one here, brilliant shot in Smith. Alright guys, just check this my lines. Maybe nothing special, but this one fine today. So very good pack hunting. Just go to pay for that.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.